Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews.
In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX Computer Case. The Thermaltake Tower 200 features an iconic vertical body design, offering a unique and visually appealing look for your PC setup. One of the standout features of this case is its ability to support GPUs with a length of up to 380mm. This means you can accommodate even the most powerful and lengthy graphics cards on the market. The Tower 200 comes with two pre-installed CT140 PC cooling fans. These fans provide excellent airflow, helping to keep your components cool during intense gaming sessions or demanding tasks. In addition to the pre-installed fans, this case also offers the flexibility to mount additional cooling solutions. You can add a 120/140mm fan on top of the power cover, ensuring optimal thermal performance.
If you prefer water cooling, the Tower 200 can support up to a 280mm radiator,
making it a great choice for those looking to build a high-performance liquid-cooled system. The case is constructed from high-quality aluminum and features a 3mm tempered glass side panel, giving it a premium and durable feel. The Tower 200 falls into the mini tower category, making it a compact choice for those who want a smaller footprint without compromising on performance. It comes equipped with USB 3.2 Type-C and USB 3.0 ports, along with HD audio, providing easy access to your peripherals and audio devices. The Tower 200 is available in a striking racing green color, adding a touch of style to your gaming rig.
Thermaltake backs this case with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. And right now, it's available at a discounted price, making it an excellent value for the features it offers.
In summary, the Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX Computer Case is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts.
With its impressive GPU support, versatile cooling options, and premium build quality, it's a case that combines aesthetics and functionality seamlessly.
If you're in the market for a Mini-ITX case with a unique design and top-notch features, the Tower 200 is definitely worth considering.
Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights.
If you have any questions or comments about the Thermaltake Tower 200, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll be happy to respond.